Hi, I'm State Senator Anthony Hardy Williams. In 1975, neighbors Lois Fernandez and Ruth Arthur used a $100 grant to organize a small street festival along South Street in South Philadelphia. 40 years later, Odunde ranks among the largest African-American festivals in the country, attracting 500,000 people and covering 12 city blocks, each year on the second Sunday in June. The concept for Odunde originates from the Yoruba people of Nigeria and West Africa, celebrating their new year. The centerpiece of Philadelphia's event is a colorful procession from 23rd and South Streets to the Schuylkill River, where an offering of fruit and flowers is made to Oshun, Yoruba, goddess of the river. Odunde is also known for its authentic African-American marketplace featuring vendors from many African nations, the Caribbean and Brazil. Although it draws participants from around the world, Odunde is a profound demonstration of what can happen when just two people work to lift their local community in celebration. This is State Senator Anthony Hardy Williams, and this is a Pennsylvania History Moment.